back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to develop this hero section. We have already created this navbar using this navbar. This is also fully responsive. It's also fully responsive. We will also learn how to make it responsive. So let's get started. Let's start. We have already created navbar. If you didn't watch that video, I will give you a link in the description. You can watch that video first and then come here. Main tag. In main tag we have a section called first section. In the section we will create a div left section. In left section we have paragraph, which is and one div, passionate, web developer. We have another div called right section. In this div we have image tag and we will add one image. So our structure is looking like this. Let's style this. First section, display flags, justify space around and align item center, margin 70 pixel, 70 pixel and 0. So our div will be side by side. Now let's style first section div. Width 35%. Left section style is pen tag, font weight bolder and color blue violet. Style right section, make it responsive. First section, margin 50 pixels and 0. First section div, width 100% and max width 45%. So now left section, font size GUIM. Now make image responsive. Right section, image width 90%. First section, flex direction column, text align center, first section div, width will be 100%, max width will be 90%. Now left section, font size 1.8 rem. Right section, image width 70%. So now max width will be 480 pixel. Left section, font size 1.5 rem. First section, div, max width 180%. Right section, image width 100%. Now it's fully responsive. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe